I would shine, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh, even though I feel bad.
Hey guys, I don't have any intro in this video. There I'm speaking German, so I'm sorry there's no intro, but let's begin with this look. So first things first, my tape. I'm using this tape to get a sharp line afterwards. So the first thing is my concealer, the white base. With this white base, the colors pop like nothing. So the palette I'm using is this one, the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking this first reddish brownish color as my transitioning color. Then I'm taking my blush. Yes, I'm taking my blush Film Noir from MAC, and I'm using it in the outer V, and I'm taking it into the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm using from Makeup.it one color. Yeah, at this time I only had this one color inside, so that's what I'm using. It's a pink glittery color, I think. So now I'm using my favorite Essence eyeliner. This one is the best eyeliner. This is the best. Like, look how easy I can do that with this one, and look how sharp this eyeliner now looks. This is what I want. This is what I want. So now I'm using the Revolution Makeup Revolution baking oil. This oil is okay for combination skin, but also for dry skin. So now I'm using the Revolution Makeup Primer. This primer is really cheap and it's really nice, so go get it. Now I'm using some foundation. You saw this one is from L'Oreal. And now my Tarte Shape Concealer in the deep golden, one of my favorite one, but I'm blending it out with my brush from BH Cosmetic 117, my favorite blush for concealer, to blend out concealer. I always use that and I'm still using it. Now I'm taking also a concealer from Makeup Revolution. This one is in the color C18. And yeah, I'm gonna contour my face there. I don't know, I think I thought that I did too much or something. Anyways, I'm blending it out with two brushes, a bigger one and a smaller one. So now I'm taking the Huda Beauty baking powder and I'm setting the light concealer, all the highlighted points under my eyes. And I don't really leave it on for too long, but you will see I always take it off after I've done one thing. After this, now I'm setting the contour with a larger brush than a smaller one, and now I'm gonna go back into the setting powder, the Huda Beauty, and sharpen the V-line under the contour, and then I'm taking off everything, like the powder, everything. And I'm always using my foundation brush to do that, because then everything melts together, something like that. So now you see I'm just using some Kajal. You can use any. Now I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is a nice one, but I have a better one now. But this is also a nice one, it's okay. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place, the Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette, and I'm always mixing these two colors. Either I'm mixing them or I use the orange by itself. Really guys, I love this palette. I love it. So now I'm using the Artist Couture highlighter in the color Conceited. And this color is my favorite color. This brand is my favorite brand when it comes to highlighters. I love these loose highlighters, and especially love those from Artist Couture. You don't even know. I always spend my money on them because I live in Germany and it's really expensive to get them. But anyways, so now I use two colors, the NYX lip liner and the We Makeup liquid lipstick in 30. And yes, now my Slay All Day spray, and that's it. Thank you for watching.